When disaster strikes, the first 72 hours are the most critical. You need to act quickly and smartly because help might not arrive right away. The most important thing you need is water. Your body can't survive more than 3 days without it, and you should have at least 3 liters per person per day. That means you need about 9 liters for 3 days. If you don't have clean water, you must purify it first, boiling it or using water purification tablets. Otherwise, you risk getting sick. Next, you need food that lasts a long time and doesn't require cooking. Think canned goods, energy bars, nuts, or dried fruit. Avoid food that needs electricity or gas to prepare, because those utilities might be out. Store your food in a cool, dry place where it won't spoil, and make sure you can reach it quickly. Light and power are also essential. Without light, it's easy to lose your sense of direction and get stressed. Keep flashlights ready with extra batteries and have candles as a backup. Fully charge your power banks to keep your phone alive, because your phone will be your main way to communicate. It's also smart to have a battery-powered or hand-crank radio so you can get news if the internet and cell networks go down. Speaking of communication, write down important phone numbers on paper. Phones can run out of battery or lose signal quickly. Make a plan with your family or friends about where to meet if you can't call each other. Having a clear plan can save your life. Safety comes first. Stay inside if it's dangerous outside. Lock all doors and windows and keep your emergency supplies close by so you can reach them quickly. Staying calm is crucial. Panic wastes energy and clouds your thinking. Take deep breaths and stick to your plan. If you prepare these basics now, your chances of making it through those first 3 days increase dramatically. But besides having water, food, light, and a plan, it's important to think about shelter and warmth. If the power goes out, you might lose heating or cooling, depending on the season. Dress in layers to stay warm if it's cold, and use blankets or sleeping bags. If you have to stay inside, block drafts around windows and doors to keep the temperature stable. Staying dry is also key, because wet clothes can cause hypothermia quickly. Next, hygiene can't be ignored. You may not have running water, but staying clean helps prevent illness. Keep hand sanitizer, wet wipes, and a supply of toilet paper nearby. If water is limited, use it wisely, like for drinking and cooking first, then for cleaning. Dispose of waste properly to avoid contamination. Also, mental health matters too. These first days are stressful, and fear can overwhelm you. Try to stay calm, keep your mind busy with small tasks, and check in on your family or neighbors if it's safe. Supporting each other helps everyone get through tough times. And keep an eye on official news and updates. Use your radio or phone to stay informed about the situation and any instructions from authorities. Avoid rumors and only trust verified sources. Information is power. It helps you make smart decisions and avoid unnecessary risks. Remember, surviving the first 72 hours is about being practical, staying calm, and adapting to what's around you. But we must not forget one crucial aspect, like the emergency kit. This should include first aid supplies, like bandages, antiseptic wipes, painkillers, and any personal medication you need. Don't forget things like scissors, tweezers, and gloves. Having these ready means you can treat small injuries before they become serious. There's an emergency kit link in the description if you want to check it out. It's also smart to have some cash on hand. If the power is out, electronic payments might not work. Keep small bills and coins in a safe but accessible place. Make sure you have basic tools too. A multi-purpose knife, duct tape, and a whistle can be very useful. The knife helps with small repairs or opening packages. Duct tape fixes leaks or tears, and the whistle can signal for help if you need it. Lastly, know your surroundings. Familiarize yourself with exits, safe spots, and nearby resources. If you need to evacuate, don't panic. Take your emergency kit and follow your plan calmly. Avoid dangerous routes and stick to what you know. Preparing all this might seem overwhelming, but start small. Even having water and a flashlight ready is better than nothing. But besides your basic supplies and plan, it's crucial to know what to do in specific emergencies. If there's a fire, get out quickly and safely. Stay low to avoid smoke, and always use the nearest exit. If you smell gas or suspect a leak, don't use any open flames or electrical switches. Leave the building immediately and call emergency services once you're safe. For families, extra care is needed. Make sure children, elderly, or anyone with medical conditions have their medications within reach. Have a safe space where everyone can gather and stay calm. Keep distractions like games or books handy to help reduce stress, especially for kids. Mental strength is just as important as physical supplies. Stress and fear can cloud your judgment. Take moments to breathe deeply and focus on small tasks. Stick to your plans step by step. Supporting each other makes a big difference, so communicate often and stay connected if you can. Remember, no one is perfect, and emergencies are chaotic. The goal is to be prepared enough to keep yourself and your loved ones safe until help arrives or the situation improves. Start building your emergency kit and plan today. It might seem overwhelming, but every small step counts. To recap, the first 72 hours after a disaster are the most critical. Focus on having enough water, non-perishable food, and reliable light sources. Keep your communication plan ready and stay informed through radios or trusted news. Make sure you have basic safety and medical supplies, know your surroundings, and prepare for emergencies like fires or gas leaks. Most importantly, stay calm and support each other. Remember, being prepared isn't about fear. It's about taking control and protecting yourself and your loved ones. The more you plan ahead, the better your chances to stay safe when things go wrong. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and family. You never know who might need this information. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips and stay ready for whatever comes next. And thank you for watching.